Welcome back class. Today I am going to discuss chapter number 12, that is all about mensuration. And here in mensuration, what is there? Area related to circle. This time you are going to read about circle, and in this circle many things you are already aware. What are the things you are aware? Circumference of the circle, area of the circle. These two things you know from the beginning. How to calculate circumference related questions and how to find their areas. Let us recall few formulas that you are having already. So what are the formula we are going to study there, and or which will help you in doing the sums of this chapter number 12. Let us see first. In a circle, first of all, area of circle. That means for a circle, if I want to talk something about a circle, here area, first of all, circumference. Circumference of a circle is given by a formula 2 pi r or pi into d, where r is the radius and d is the diameter. Where r means radius and d means diameter. This you are already aware that if radius is known or diameter is known, you can find its circumference. Second thing, area of the circle. Area of the circle. I have written the circle, so when I am writing area means you understand that it is the area of the circle. Area of the circle is given by the formula pi r square. And if I am talking about the semicircle, if I am talking about a circle, that means it is the entire complete circle. And you are aware that circumference means the outer boundary of the circle, that is known as circumference. Here if radius is r, then its circumference can be calculated by the formula 2 pi r. You are already aware c equal to 2 pi r or c equal to pi into d. In your junior class you have studied this formula. Now area of the circle, that you are aware, pi r square. Suppose I am talking about a semicircle. If you are having a semicircle, then in that case, for a semicircle, suppose I want to find its circumference. How will you find the circumference of a semicircle? That is, if you will look at the figure of a semicircle, then here suppose it is the diameter. Here it is the diameter. So if you are going through A and going to B and coming back to A, this will be, you are starting from A, going to B, again coming back to A, that is the total circumference. So that circumference will be the half of the circle, that means pi r and plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r. Why 2r? Because AB is the diameter. Here you can see AB is the diameter, and you are aware that d equal to 2 pi. So circumference of a semicircle is given by pi r plus 2r. And if you want to find its area of the semicircle, that will be the half of the area of a circle, that means half pi r square. These things you have to note down as a formula, and you are also aware that value of pi is always 22/7 until and unless any other value, that means decimal value, is not given in your question, then you can use pi equal to 22/7 only there. Now after writing these things, I am talking about the other parts of the circle. Here in a circle, third number formula I am going to discuss about the ring. For a ring, that means if I want to find the area of a ring, for a ring. Have you seen the ring? I hope that everybody has seen the ring. Let me draw one diagram of the ring. The ring means one inner circle is there and one outer circle is there. Two circles are there. There is the radius of inner circle that I can write as small r, and the radius of outer circle that I can write as capital R. So here I am talking about the ring. Ring means this shaded portion, the portion which I am shading, that is only the ring. That you can say the washer. If you are putting the nut bolt, there you can see one washer you are putting, that washer is a ring. Now suppose you want to find the area of this shaded region, that is known as area of the ring. So for a ring, its area will be given by pi capital R square minus small r square, where you can write R means inner radius, R means inner radius, okay, and this capital R means outer radius, So you are having inner radius and outer radius, then you can easily find the area of this ring, okay. Then I am talking about fourth number thing, the sector of a circle. For a sector of a circle, here what I am going to talk about, a sector. Have you seen the sector? Sector means, let me recall that what is a sector. You are aware that in a circle, area bounded by two radius, its radius. Suppose here OA is one radius and OB is another radius, and here in between AOB, if you will see, AOB is an angle. Suppose this measurement of this angle is theta. It may be 30 degree, 40 degree, 40 so will not be there, 30, 45, 60 or 90. It is the well defined angles. In the case of sector, now this shaded part, the part which I am shading there, that is actually the sector of a circle, and sometimes you need to find the area of this sector. You are having two type of sectors. One is minor sector. Minor means a small part, a smaller part, and major sector means bigger part. Here if I am talking about the shaded region, it is the minor sector, and if I am talking unshaded part in this figure, then unshaded part is the major sector. So here how to find the perimeter of this minor sector? For perimeter we are having also a formula. So in case of a sector, the perimeter means, suppose if you are moving from A, you have started from A, going to O, then coming to B, then coming back to A, that is called what? That is called a sector. That is called a sector. So A to O you are going, then O to B you are going, then B to A again you are coming back. That means that you are finding its perimeter. So perimeter of this sector is given by a formula. That formula is theta upon 180 degree and multiplied by 2r. It is multiplied by pi r. It is multiplied by pi r, and one more thing should be added here, that 2r should be added here. By applying this formula, you will be able to find its perimeter, where you can understand the meaning of r. Meaning of r is radius. Then I am talking about its area. That means area of a sector. Area of a sector is given by a formula, that is theta upon 360 degree, theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square, and then subtract half r square sine theta. Then subtract this half r square sine theta. Here little part of trigonometry will be applied. Value of theta is well defined. This time in the syllabus Cbse has written clearly that the angle of theta is well defined angle, that means 30 degree, 45 degree or 60 degree or 90 degree, so that trigonometrical value chart will help you to give the value, and you will be able to find your area of a sector very easily and nicely as per your need whenever you require it. So copy down these formula. These formula are very helpful in chapter number 12. So today first of all I am going to give you all the formulas. In the list of formula, many formulas are your old formula, only the area of sector and the area of segment is a new formula that you are studying now in this class, that is in class 10. Now I am talking about for a segment of a circle. For a segment of a circle. For a segment of a circle. If segment is there, what do you mean by segment? Let me show you first. If you are drawing a circle and here you are taking one chord there, AB, suppose AB is a chord, and you want to find the area of this shaded part, that is known as area of segment. Now first of all, in this case also you need to join this center. Here suppose I am taking the center there, okay. So join the center's name is O. I am going to join O to A. You need to join O to A, then you need to join O to B, and in between you are aware that there is the one angle AOB and its measure is theta. Again I am taking as theta. So some angle should be there, then you can find its area. Now area of this segment. Area of this segment can be determined by using the formula. First of all, I am talking about the perimeter. Okay, perimeter also can be used. Perimeter means you are moving from A going to B, then coming back B to A. That is actually the perimeter. So for perimeter, you need to write the formula that perimeter means, perimeter can be given by a formula that is theta upon 180, theta upon 180, and should be multiplied by pi r, and plus here 2r, then sine theta upon 2, sine theta upon 2. By this formula you can find its perimeter. Then if you want to find its area of this particular segment means the shaded region I am talking, area, that is theta upon 360, theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square, then subtract there half r square and sine theta. So by applying this formula you will be easily able to find its area. Here everything should be very clear. Here you can put the brackets, okay. So bracket you can take as per your convenience. So copy down these formula. These are few new formulas, so only two new formula you are having, area of sector and area of segment. Rest all the formulas you are having already. Now let us see the questions of exercise 12.1 from your NCERT book. So in your 12.1 exercise, read question number 1. Go through yourself during this class only. Try to understand that whether you are able to do this question or not able to do. So here exercise 12.1 I am going to show you now. In 12.1 you will be see the application of these formulas of circles. Okay. So here in this question number 1 is there. Question number 1, in 1 number question, the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Very good. Once this question I will see that this question is given for MCQ, directly I can give the answer. What answer will be? Just you need to add 19 plus 9, then your answer should be 28 centimeter. Such questions answer directly can be done in case of MCQ questions. Two small circles you are having. What is given? You are having two small circles, one circle plus two circle, and then you are joining them to for a big circle. Now radius of this circle is given as R1 and here radius is given as R2. Then radius of new circle is R. So this R is always equal to here. If you will add the circumference of these two circles to get the radius of a new circle, automatically it will be coming by adding R1 plus R2, that will be equal to R. But here I have to do some steps. What steps I will write? Since pi circumference of the circle is given by the formula 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Two circle you are having. Then after writing that, just I am going to write 2 pi, taking as common I am having r1 plus r2. Ultimately 2 pi gone. That means r is equal to r1 plus r2, what I was talking there. Now just you can put the value of r1. In this question r1 is given as, in your question it is given as 19 centimeter and here r2 is given as 9 centimeter. So you can write there 19 plus 9 centimeter, and when you will add, answer will come as 28 centimeter, and that is your answer. So you can see the beauty of this solution, that like this the solution can be done. Okay. So like this you have seen that how I have solved this question very easily and simply, and here you have got the answer for question number 1. I hope that this you have written. Now let me see question number 2 over there. Question number 2 is also there, that you can do. So look at question number 2 there. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. This time they have given, they are talking about area. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of these two circles. What you want to find there now? Radius. But here condition is different. In 1 number question circumference was given, but here in question number 2 what is given? Area is given. So let us, the condition is likely same as question number 1, but here again two circles you are having, one circle, two circle, and you are adding them to get a bigger circle, and here radius as it is I am writing how I have done question number 1. Here radius 1, this is your radius number 2, then radius number 3. Difference is that in first question circumference was there, and here in question number 2 what is there? The radius is there. So let us see how to do this question. Here actually since I will be writing pi r square means the radius of the bigger circle, the area of the bigger circle is equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square, where r1 and r2 are the radius of two small circles that you can write by yourself the statement. Okay, and capital R is the radius of new circle, that means the bigger circle. Now what I have done? I am writing pi r square, pi I am taking as common, then here in bracket I am having r1 square plus r2 square, close it. Now pi I can cancel, then r square is equal to r1. The value of r1 in your question, the value of r1 is given as 8, so you can write here 8 square plus 6 square. Now just calculate there, and when you have written the unit or written the number, then put the unit also. Now r square equal to 64 plus 36, right here cm square. Further r square equal to 100 cm square. If you will remove the square from left side, then r will be root over 100 cm square, and that will be, therefore r is equal to 10 centimeter. So ultimately you can write your answer. So the radius of new circle is 10 centimeter. New circle is 10 centimeter. Like that, the radius, you will get the radius in case of area. So in case of area, directly you cannot add radius, you have to calculate. In case of circumference, it was there. Okay, so question number 1, you have seen that you will get the answer by adding the two radius, but in question number 2 it was not like that. In question number 2 it was little different. Now copy it down. Question number 3 I am going to talk now. In question number 3, you can see the diagram. Okay, it is a colorful diagram. There you can see that many rings are there. The figure depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring areas from the center onwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region respectively gold score is 21 centimeter. Diameter of gold region is given 21, and each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. Okay, find the area of each of the 5 scoring region. Here I am just going to give you little idea of this question, because it is little bit longer question, but idea is very simple, and the concept you are having. I am not going to draw the figure this time. You can draw the figure by looking at your book. I am going to discuss the solution of this question. First of all, what is given here? Since diameter of the gold region, that is given there, how much? 21 centimeter. Therefore radius of the gold region, therefore you can find the radius of the gold region, that you can find diameter upon 221 upon 2 centimeter. That will be the radius of the gold region, and here you can find, therefore, area of gold region. You can find the area of gold region. How you can find the area? That is pi r square. The formula you can use pi r square, and here the value of pi is 22 upon 7 and your radius is 21 upon 2 cm square. Now calculate this number to get the area. You can write it like that: cm square, 7 3 ja 21 and 2, cancel this 22 as 11, then you multiply 11 3 ja 33 and 21. All together, if you will calculate this number, you will have 346.5 cm square, and this is your answer number 1. Like that, you have to find 5 answers. First, gold region you have got. After gold region, from inside you can see that another region is the red region. Now you will find the area of red region. For that I am going to discuss few things now, so copy it down first. Okay. So till here if you have copied, then I am going to talk about the further next 4 regions. So for red region, what do you think, what will be the radius for the red region? Because I want to find the area of red region to get that in, and the radius for red region. This time I am taking red region, and its radius will be how much? Previous radius for the gold region you are having, that was 21/2 centimeter, and further it is increasing 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5 centimeter. Actually one I have taken in decimal, so another also, sorry, in fraction, so another also I want to take as decimal itself. So I want to add this number, 5 to the 520, and that will be 42/2. Again if I will cancel it, it will be 21 centimeter. Have you seen? If you will add 21/2 plus 21/2, it will be 42/2, and that answer will be 21, only 21 centimeter. Therefore area for gold region, therefore area red plus gold. This time if I will find the entire area gold plus red, area gold plus red, both area will be calculated by the formula pi r square. It is pi and r is 21 cm, then you do square. Further 22/7 should be multiplied by 21 into 21 cm square, 7 3 are 21, and when you will multiply 22, 3 and 21, it will be coming as 1386. It is coming as 1386 cm square. This is the area for gold plus red region. You want to find the red region. Therefore area for red region, that will be equal to total area 1386 minus area 1. Why minus 1? Because in one number, which answer you have written already, that was the area for gold region. So gold plus red area is coming 1386. If I will subtract the area of this gold region, then I will have only red region. So that answer was for that gold region's area was 346.5. So 346.5 I need to subtract from there. 346.5 cm square I will subtract from there. Why? Because from gold plus red I need to subtract the gold, then I have the area for red region. After subtracting this number, you will have 1039.5. 1039.5 cm square. So this is the area for which region? Red region, and this is our answer number 2. So how you have seen the first answer you have got, like that this is the second answer. In the same way, now if I want to find for third number, now suppose you are going for the blue region, so the radius for the blue region, again till here you copy, then one more step I am showing you, like that you will have the 5 answer. First answer you have seen, then second answer you have seen already. Now how I am calculating the third, one more area I want to show you. Again this I am going to clean now, okay, so that I can show you the area here. Area and the radius for blue, instead of red I am going to write here, after red it is blue, blue region. So the radius for the blue region, you have seen that first radius was 21/2, then again 21 by 2, and then again 21 by 2 centimeter I need to add. Why 3 times 21 upon 2? For gold region the radius was 21 upon 2. Further you have to add 10.5. 10.5 means half of 21, 21 by 2, and again the band is increasing 10.5 centimeter for each color. So the blue, now 3 bands you have to add, it will be 63 upon 2 centimeter, that is the radius for the blue region. Now area, and now area, now you need to find area. Which area? Now you are having gold plus red plus blue. If all these 3 regions area you want to find, again you are using the formula pi r square. So pi means 22 upon 7, and now your radius is 63 upon 2 cm square. So calculate this number. It is 22 upon 7, right here 63 upon 2, again right here 63 upon 2, and here put the unit, that is centimeter square, and try to cancel this number. Now calculation part is there, 7 9 ja 63, and here 2 11 times. So this time if we will calculate this entire number, that means red blue, this red blue, gold red and blue, this entire region you need to calculate. Then ultimately you will see that your answer is coming 3118.5. It is coming 3118.5 cm square, but it is the area of the sum of all these 3 regions. Now you want to find area blue, only blue region, therefore area of blue region, blue region. So its area will be, first of all I have to write 3118.5 and subtract the second number, because till second number you are having the area of gold plus red. So area of gold plus red you have seen, it was coming 1386. It was gold plus red was coming 1386. So 1386 you need to subtract from there. That means the sum of the areas of gold plus red you need to subtract from there. So you need to subtract 3118.5 minus this area, means 1386, that is 1732.5, that is 1732.5 cm square. So this is your answer number 3rd. So 3 answer I have shown you, and remaining 2 answer I am giving for you. That accordingly now further you have to find the radius of the radius for the which region? Black region. For black region you will be adding 21 by 2, 21 by 2 plus 21 by 2, again 21 by 2, 4 times, and that will be the radius up to black region. Then in the same way you will finding area, then you need to subtract the area, all these 3 area which you are getting there, 3118.5 cm square, then you will have the area for the black region. Then again the similar steps you have to follow for the white region also. Once again I am repeating, the full solution I have not done, because there are 5 answer, 3 answer I have given you, rest 2 answer I am leaving upon you. If you have understood till here, you can easily find the answer of remaining part of this solution. And after doing this, go for question number 4 and 5, complete it, do the example sums, as I am telling always that do all the example sums. Okay, and thank you for today.